decided that I was going to let them create your own garden however they wanted to do it, and just pathways in between. What they're planting today will be rattlesnake beans, cucumbers, which will both be on trellises that they're going to be making out of all the recycled materials that we have here. And then the next thing will be peas that they'll plant in rows, squash that they'll be planting in hills, and then bush beans that they also will be planting in rows.
What are you guys making?
Squash. Squash is supposed to be coming in here.
Squash is going in here?
They're doing beans because of the way they got the rows going.
Okay.
I'm assuming that the squash is cucumbers.
You're out beyond where you want everything to be.
I think it was our lovely water station, which is being solar pumped from the creek over yonder. So we've watered our little seedlings and now we're covering them back up. Trellises come along.